Let's do an angel reading for Wednesday, 30th of July, and let's see what messages do your angels have for you. Have Archangel Constance. Bring heaven to earth, card number 11. Let's read from the guidebook. It's been some time since we read from the book, but I feel sometimes it's necessary to figure out what the key message is, and we have: let your inner greatness move through your thoughts, words, and actions as you bring your version of heaven to earth. So, the message for today is really about you living your purpose in life. In general, the purpose that we all have here is to bring heaven on earth, heaven as we understand it, right? Because we all have different understanding of what it means to be in heaven and what it means to have heaven on earth. But ultimately, it is our purpose, it is our job to make the world a better place. That's why we have here the how we do it is different from all of us. Why we do it is different from all of us. What happens as a result of our actions is also different for all of us. But as humans or as beings that inhabit the planet, it is both our duty and our responsibility to do the best we can to make the world a better place. And maybe today take some time to think about how you could do that, what it would mean for you to create heaven on earth. Yeah. Take some time to think about the difference that you could make. Because you have time. Like if some of you have been feeling that there's not enough time to do this or not enough time to do that, you have time, as much time as you need, and you have the power to stop time if that's what you need. And you have a gift. You can make the world a better place. You have every skill that you could possibly need to make it happen. You have support from your guides, from your angels, from people in authority. I'm also feeling that some of you may have a hard time either with authority figures or imagining yourself as one of them at some point. And that's okay. It's okay to not have the answers. It's okay to not want to be in a position as someone else, but you need to give yourself credit when it's due, and you need to love yourself when it's due, and you need to take care of yourself when you need to, because support is available. Your angels are here to help you. Your fellow humans are here to help you. Even if you don't see it happening right away, even if you don't see it happening tomorrow, but you need to trust that support is available. Opportunities are available. You can attract what you want. These are like the happiest cards in the entire deck, and there hasn't been a single one that could be challenging. So that's not to say that you will not find any challenge on your way. It just means that support is available, help is available, but it's your job to utilize that help. It's your job to ask for help when you need it. I am also seeing a sort of hidden blessing coming from your angels manifesting into your life, which will help you resolve some internal or external conflicts, or anything that you think will block you from manifesting with purpose, manifesting your purpose, living your dream life. I am getting that support will be provided from angels when you need it. And it may seem that it has been a long time coming, but you need to have faith that it is coming, that it is on its way, that you have what you need to be happy, to make the world a happier place, to heal emotionally, to heal the emotions of the earth, to heal the energies, because you have a gift to heal. But for you to step into that gift, you need to heal yourself first. Whatever you need is available to you. Your angels are here to support you, and you are ready to step into your purpose. You're ready to step into your mission. I'm guessing that I'm also getting the message you're undergoing some activation which is helping you step into that purpose. That's a beautiful message that we have. Let's hope that tomorrow onwards we keep getting better and better messages.